Today we're diving into a seriously sleek piece of audio tech, Ruark Audio R1S review. Don't be fooled by the word radio. This thing is a powerhouse of modern features, premium design, and audiophile-level performance, all wrapped up in a compact, stylish package. So if you're looking for a perfect blend of retro vibes and futuristic functionality, stick around. Technology and features. The R1S is much more than a traditional radio. It's a smart radio, integrating a range of modern features. SmartRadio tuner, DAB, DAB+, FM, and Internet radio support gives access to thousands of stations worldwide. Automatic time and station updates ensure seamless operation. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2. Stable and fast Wi-Fi for streaming from services like Spotify Connect, Deezer, and Amazon Music. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures high-quality, energy-efficient wireless audio streaming from smartphones or laptops. USB-C connectivity. Play MP3 files directly via USB stick. Also functions as a charging port for other devices. Podcast streaming. Direct access to thousands of podcasts globally. All managed easily through the free Octave app on iOS and Android. User interface. The iconic rotodial controller remains a staple, offering tactile, intuitive control. A TFT color display provides time, station info, and album art. Optional battery power. Pair with Ruark's Backpack 3 for up to 12 hours of wireless, portable operation. Performance. The R1S stands out for its audiophile-grade sound in a compact frame. Custom NS Plus full-range driver delivers crisp highs, warm mids, and surprisingly full bass. Powered by a high-fidelity Class AB amplifier, a rarity at this size and price point. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts tone based on volume and source, ensuring optimal clarity and balance. Whether listening to jazz, rock, news, or streaming a podcast, audio is consistently clear and rich. This makes the R1S equally suited for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, or any space that values high-quality audio in a small form factor. Design. Ruark is renowned for its craftsmanship, and the R1S lives up to that legacy. Premium mid-gray lacquer finish, combined with a handcrafted walnut wood grille, creates a modern retro appeal. The polymer cabinet is acoustically treated for minimal resonance and maximum clarity, compact yet solid, giving a sense of durability without being bulky. Weight and dimensions. Dimensions: 175 mm x 130 mm, 130 mm. Weight: 1.6 kilos. Its compact footprint and elegant design make it a perfect centerpiece for modern interiors or classic spaces alike. Price. The Ruark Audio R1S is priced at around $299, $379 USD. While this places it in the premium category for tabletop radios, it reflects the build quality, sound fidelity, and smart features you receive in return. Available through Ruark's official website and select audio retailers. Optional remote control and Backpack 3 battery pack are sold separately. Pros: big sound, stylish design, versatile connections, easy controls. Portable option. Cons: no voice assistant, no remote.